Whakalofa atu mā kau e aho nei, aho whanau ha David! Happy birthday, brother. How are you, Dave?
Happy.
Where are we?
At my new house. Just couple of people, Gus will come. Woo! He's on his way. He's been the famous curry.
Ooh.
And, one of these years, but yeah, and mess with Spring Grandpa, who will come.
Yeah.
Just wish you luck and all the best. Wakalahi.
Whakaoi. Shee! Oh, manuine ha whanau. It's your birthday too, eh, Lily?
Yep.
Happy birthday! Yo, we're just here in Hayden and David and Lily's new house and Hannah's new house. We should go check out the gym. Out to my co, we're just having a little walk around David's whale and man, Fulawala lahi.
Got the barbecue just behind us.
Yeah.
And barbecue,
marquee,
looks good.
Fijao trees.
And the food, man.
Oh, heaps of fruit trees. I think we're gonna have Christmas here, Dave.
Christmas here?
Yeah, why not? We got the space, parking.
The parks.
Yep.
Just the house, man. Looks good.
We'll show. We'll go to Hayden's gym.
Hayden's gym.
Because Hayden's gonna commit to get in shape before he turns 40.
40.
A few years, maybe 2-3 years from now, but he's got the gym. This is the gym.
Yeah.
He's got his weight set up, his treadmill, everything. So look forward to see Hayden get in shape. Yeah. It's gonna go from
50.
from average to amazing.
But Steph will come, hey?
Yeah, Steph's coming.
Yeah, just on the way, and
the beach is just down the road.
Australia.
Yay!
Peace.
Alice Springs.
Shee.
Yeah, recording.
David, Monuina Yaha Whanau Hau, you are now big 15 years old. Marima, and you are now big 6 years old. So wish you all the best in life. Love you always. Monuina Yaha Whanau Hau, and God bless, take care, and always listen to your parents. Yeah, thank you.
Yep.
Happy birthday, David. Hope you have a good day today. Turn 15. And yep. Keep going.
Record.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, David. I wish you the best birthday. Thank you for being there for me.
Happy birthday, David. May God bless you. You're an amazing cousin. And yeah.
Happy birthday, David. You're a really good cousin. I love you.
Happy birthday, David. Thank you for being all the energy and all the functions when you're cheese. Thank you for being a good cousin. I hope you have a great birthday. Happy birthday, David. Thank you for being a good cousin. I love you. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
This guy, this is tall.
Happy birthday, David. Hope you have a good birthday. Thank you for being a good cousin. Yeah.
Birthday wishes, talk. Birthday wishes.
Happy birthday, David. That you can give me a gift.
Alright. Lily, Keilani.
Oh my God!
You're such a good cousin. You always make me. Bye. Happy birthday.
Alright. One last one. You go. Happy birthday wishes for David and Lily.
Happy birthday, David. I hope you have a great day. And yeah, happy 15th birthday.
Windy. Different breeds. So that's New Year's. I call it a henna.
Did you finish your photo, John?
We're inside.
Yep, tried to send, he's not here, but Sandy will come a little bit later.
Yep.
Thank you everyone for my birthday wishes. Golahi. Christian, thank you for coming, guys. God bless you all, family. And Mom, you do it. Of course. Just like there. Baby out and above. Keep this not here. My heart, good to see. Of course.
pala. Ke tu tanganga. Kofe tonton we.
Aye, Motolu.
Omo la ke nata. Ono. Como tonu ne ka tontanata, si nata. Tomo we o wa koi momo le si hey. Si hey. Como tonu ne ka tontanata, si nata. Tomo we o wa koi momo le si hey. Si hey.
Thank you for coming. Just a good day for Golagi. Yeah. So, big pass.
Yeah, pas mãe.
Alright, thanks everyone for coming. We're just going to have dinner now. Early dinner. Yeah, it's nice for you guys to come and check out our room and hang out with us. Yeah, happy birthday Lily and David. Lily, got something to say?
Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Hayden, for that.
Dave, if you can, do you go to this old food?
Yeah.
He's going to say a prayer.
Say the prayer now.
Yeah.
Well, for here to do was go for me if you like. I will have take my get to Rosh for me to see tomorrow. The night or my daughter que Fia, Yafana Vita. But 15 of a vita. Or my name had a daughter movie.
Nearly 6.
And I take my gear, my little tone, we could sing a get to Rosh. Or at the game of Vita before it gets to Koi. For the boy in Mororo, for the boy Fia, Mamma get over to have. Yeah. Aia, yo que tol.
Awesome.
Ko me tua nei hawa ni whakau ke maha nei ko whakatahe mo tōru ke whakamana te awhanau tāwita ko tue hana ho mai mo te tau mai ki nei oi tūro. Whakau e rohi. Ko mino e whoki tau mura kai ko manake mo tōru ki tau mawhaki ai whakamana tō sino ki maha nei ki whiawhia ora to mawe wehe mo mawhora ke hawa whaka ki ngō tapu. Amen.
Amen. Yeah, thank you, Dad.
You take the food.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye, Mommy.
Remember, I also said thanks Mapui and Ben for coming. And,
Yeah, thank
Thank you, everyone, for coming. First meeting, so.
Thank you. Awesome.